Each fall season, we assess our homes. We take a couple precautionary steps, and our housekeeping team's gonna come through the home, of course do a full clean top to bottom, and they're going to ensure the security of the home, so all the windows are locked and all the doors are shut and locked as well before they leave. So our maintenance team focuses mainly on the outside of the home. We're going to collect all the umbrellas, the chairs, the tables, the barbecues, anything that the owners leave on the docks as well, like water toys, kayaks. Most of the time we're going to store those in the garage. Sometimes we just bring them right in the house just to make sure that they're secure for the winter weather. We also set up the home so that we can do some inspections, usually weekly, sometimes monthly for some homes, just so we can ensure the security of the house. There's no pests coming in the home, kind of setting ourselves up for success.